Hello guys, I hope you're having a great day. Just want to wish everybody Happy New Year, and let's make 2022 a better year. Let's bless other people and be blessed. I hope you guys all have a healthy new year and a prosperous new year. I love you all, and I wish you the best luck. What is that? Oh, it's a hat. It freaks me out. Look at this, guys. I thought it was a squirrel, but it's actually a hat. I'm like, what is it doing? Anyways, for those of you guys that want to start an online business, I'm going to leave a link below. And those are all hand-picked offers. I'm going to put 2 different offers in there. If you want to quit your 9 to 5 starting 2022 and start working from home or anywhere you want, actually, as long as you have a laptop and internet connection, you could make this happen. Work any hours you want, any days you want, take vacation whenever you feel like it. One of the trainings that I have below is 100% free, and the other one is only $7 a month. They're both excellent, and I recommend you guys check out both of them. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you guys the best. I will see you on the inside. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment below. Have a wonderful day, and share this video if you gotten any value out of it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.